guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. If you're new here, you probably don't know that I love Amazon, that I shop there all the time, and that I post Amazon videos like twice a week on this channel. So of course I have to do an entire series this month of Amazon holiday gift guides. So today we're starting off with the lowest price point, gifts under $15, also known as stocking stuffers. I have so many recommendations for y'all. Everything will be linked down below, and you can also check out my Amazon shop for updates daily on my holiday gift guide tab. I'm also super excited because today I'm partnering up with Busio. They make my favorite insulated water bottles of Amazon, and they are actually going to be on sale on Black Friday for 40% off. That makes them $13, which is such a steal. But say you're watching this in December, you missed out, you didn't get it on Black Friday, don't worry, Busio is giving me a 40% off code for y'all to use from December 1st to December 7th, so definitely take advantage. These are incredible. We have the 40 ounce, this is mine, and this is my fiance's. They come with extra straws, they come with the straw lid, so you don't have to pay extra for that. So you can literally gift this to anyone without breaking the bank. So highly recommend Busio water bottles. They come in different colors, different sizes, and like I said, use the code, they'll be on sale. So thank you to Busio for partnering up with me. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on these. Definitely check the description, all the links will be there. There's also a very nice giveaway in today's video. I'm just so excited, y'all. Definitely subscribe because I'm going to be doing giveaways in almost every video like for the next month or so. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. Enter them. The rules are super easy. Stay tuned till the end for more details. My sweater is also from Amazon, so I'll go ahead and link that. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Here is a little overview of all the items I have to show you. Almost everything is from Amazon. I do have a few things that are just like inspo that you could find at Target or anywhere else. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So these are actually a giveaway prize. So 2 of you will have the chance to win these kits. They are one of my favorite alternatives for beauty blenders. You can get 5 of these beauty sponges for only $8. Makes great stocking stuffers just as is, but also you can divide them up and put them in little baggies for different people. They are incredible, just as soft and blendable as the beauty blenders. They also sell some makeup brushes in this set, so you get all these makeup brushes for face and eyes with a little like brush cleaner, and then also one of these sponges that I'm actually using. So check the rules down below so you guys can get your hands on these, and thank you to Beaky for sponsoring this giveaway. This is something so many people in my life are getting for Christmas. It is a car essential oil diffuser, and y'all, my fiance has one of these. I have this one. They work really well. So these would be great by themselves as a stocking stuffer, or even like with a pair of essential oils or like a little kit. I had to mention these clips that I got recently. For $7 I got a 7-pack, and they come in the prettiest colors. I've seen these retail for $10 for just one. So the fact that you get 7, you can even divide them up or just give them to just one person. Keep a few for yourself. I don't judge. I love these. They're nice and oversized and matte, and they are the perfect clip to kind of like style your hair a little cuter, or just to get your hair out of your face. This super cute milk frother would make a great little gift or stocking stuffer. Most of them are under 12. I love how they come in this little stand, and in literally, y'all, so many different colors. It is such a good little find, especially if you know someone that loves like matcha or lattes, but you don't want to invest in like a huge milk frother. This brand Sulai has literally every single color, and also great kitchen items, so highly recommend that. If you know someone that got engaged or married recently, these are great little options. Amazon sells a ton of silicone rings in different packs and different colors. If you watch my videos, you know how much I like Amazon jewelry. They have really good finds for under $15. I will put down below and on the screen the video where I review everything from Amazon, but I think I would stick to either earrings or to necklaces, because everything else can get really tricky, and They have so many jewelry pieces that are so nice, so many sets, so definitely check that out down below. I also have a tab on my Amazon shop with all my jewelry recommendations, so it can be a little tricky, but for example, my fiance's mom loves watching my jewelry videos, so I'm getting her a ton of jewelry from Amazon. But if you know someone that loves like trendy jewelry, I think this would be a great route to take, especially because it's so affordable. This one is a little specific, but this is a little Bluetooth remote to take pictures. So if you know someone that loves taking pictures or loves selfies, or even like for group pictures, this would be great. You basically connect it via Bluetooth to your phone, and then you click and it just takes a picture. It's really convenient. So these run for like maybe $5 on Amazon, and they work really well, and you can use them with an iPhone or an Android. So these are a little specific, but it's always like fun to give people things like they wouldn't buy. Target is killing it right now with the beauty gift set. So this one, they're both $15. This one is a $45 value, and this one is a $59 value. And I actually got them both 20% off, so hopefully that's still happening. But you get so many fun things to try. This would make the best gift because you don't even have to like wrap it. It's already super cute. Or you can wrap it and just keep it in the box. This one comes with a full-size brush. This e.l.f. eyeshadow palette I've heard amazing things about. Then a full-size sponge and some lashes. This just looks very cute. And then this one is probably the best, and I'm definitely keeping this one for myself. Thank you to the person that told me about it. For $15 you get all these mascaras to try, and they're all full size, and apparently this one is amazing. So highly recommend these little gift sets by Target because they are so affordable and so good. So these are not from Amazon, but I had to mention them because they are some of the prettiest coasters I've ever seen, and they're actually from Hobby Lobby. They retail for $5.99, but you can always find a 40% off discount code for Hobby Lobby, and they come in every single initial. These look like something you would find at Anthropologie for over $15, and I think they make a great little stocking stuffer, a little gift. I have one for literally everyone, like my parents, my brother, my fiance, and myself. So highly recommend. For $5, you really can't beat it. Like I said, you can get 40% off and get it for like almost $3, which is a steal. I'm very into candles, and I've been watching a ton of candle TikToks, and these are kind of my candle essentials. You can easily pair these with a nice candle from Bath & Body Works or even Home Goods and have like a cute little gift, or just put these in a stocking. So this is a 3-piece set that is from Amazon. It comes with the candle wick trimmer, and then this, I have no idea what it's for, and then this is to put them out. So this whole thing was like $9. It comes in different metals, and I think, like I said, this with a candle would be the perfect little gift. And then this is a game changer. I talk about this so much on my channel, but this is a rechargeable lighter, and I've had mine for a long time. Mine retails for about $11, and y'all, this is amazing. So once again, you can definitely like gift these individually or just pair them with a candle, and that's like a great gift. I feel like this is gonna be the #1 thing on every like kids, teenagers, and even like adults like Christmas list because of TikTok. So if you can find it at Marshall's for like less than $10, highly recommend, because this would be a perfect gift for anyone. But if not, Amazon has great options that are pretty affordable as well. So I just wanted to mention the Marshalls one specifically, but I'll link some affordable ones off Amazon down below. I am not even kidding. I just ordered like 5 of these from Amazon for gifting to people. This is one of those like lint, like removers, fabric shavers, whatever you want to call it. Amazon has so many options. Mine was about $12, but they have some for $9, they have some that are $16. So it just depends on the one you want. Right now they're 50% off for Black Friday. So I'm giving this to so many people because this is so useful to have, and I feel like not enough people know about it. So if you don't know what to get someone, trust me, they will find a use for this. So these are a little niche for the kitchen. This is a little avocado saver. Anything that's like a lemon saver, an onion saver, I think that would make a great gift, especially for someone that's either in college, that lives by themselves, or just moved into their first home or apartment. Because I don't know about y'all, but I never finish my avocados and they always go bad. So this is a great little thing. They also have some for onions, lemons, limes, anything you can think of. So Amazon has great options and they're all like under $10. This one is another kind of specific one, but if you know someone that's very into working out, these come in this set and they are workout bands, kind of like to grow your butt or like for your arms. They're just like resistance bands. And I think they're, first of all, so cute with all the pink, and they work really well. I'm no expert, so I can't really compare them to other ones, but they come in this really cute pink bag, and it comes with like heavy, extra heavy, and light and extra light. So they have a ton of options if you know someone that's like into working out or that's like their resolution or whatever. I feel like this would be a great little like stocking stuffer. Scrunchies are something I mention every single year, or like ponytails, hair ties, any like hair accessory like this, even like hairpins, I think would be great. And Amazon sells so many packs for under $10 or $15. So highly recommend if you don't know what to get someone. If you have a lot of like girls in your family, you just buy little bags and just stuff a few in there and with their favorite colors or something. For kids, for younger girls, this would be great. And like I said, you can get so many different kinds of hair accessories from Amazon for under $15. Let's take a shot every time I say stocking stuffer, please. Anyway, I mentioned this last year. If you know someone that's getting AirPods, either the Pro or the old ones, Amazon has a ton of silicone and plastic cases for AirPods for maybe like $4. I think, especially if like you know they're getting AirPods or they have AirPods, it's always fun to give them kind of like that little addition. So like for example, someone I know is getting an Apple Watch, so I'm getting them the Apple Watch bands. Does that make sense? So that would be a great little like extra add-on. And like I said, the Apple Watch bands would be great too. I have a ton from Amazon that I love. So this is kind of like a broad category of like glasses. Amazon has very nice affordable sunglasses and blue light glasses, which both would make a great gift if you know the person's style. You really can't go wrong once you like kind of figure them out, because these are always so useful for people that are doing, you know, work from home, school from home. Even like my fiance who plays video games like all the time, I gave him some. These would just be very beneficial for a lot of people. You can get them in a 2-pack. There's so many options. So sunglasses and blue light glasses are always under $15 on Amazon, and they are great quality. This is kind of lame, but I really can't think of anyone who wouldn't need to protect their phone. So these are just some glass phone protectors, and they come in this nice little case, perfect for a stocking stuffer. It is very affordable, and these are just so nice to have. My favorite gifts to get and to gift are things that I wouldn't really buy myself, or that like I hate really buying, like something like this. But once I have it, I'm so glad and thankful I have it. So something like this might seem like a lame Christmas gift, but as a stocking stuffer, it would be perfect. I cannot tell you how much I love this tool. It's called a microplane, and I got this one from Amazon, and it was like $14 maybe. I got this one at HomeGoods, and it was $4.99. So wherever you find it, it's such a great tool that not enough people think to buy, but once they have it, they love it. I gave one to my parents and I gave one to my brother, and they love it. It's supposed to be for like grating like citrus and stuff like that, but y'all, this is a game changer for grating cheese. I don't remember the last time we used our cheese grater, because it like grates it so nice and fine, especially Parmesan or those harder cheeses. I know this might seem random, but trust me, if you don't know what to get someone that likes to cook, get them this. Target always has the cutest mugs at this time of year. I mean, they always kind of do. Right now they have this one, and they also have a cat person one for $5, y'all. This would be so cute to give someone that loves dogs, or even like someone that just got a puppy. I think that would just be adorable, or like a kitten, I guess. They do have different ones that say a lot of cute things, and when in doubt, this and a little Starbucks gift card would go a long way. I always do that when I do something to my friends. Like one time I got really drunk, and to say sorry, I gave my friends like Target mugs with Starbucks gift cards. So just, I don't know why I felt the need to say that, but highly recommend. This is cute. I feel like every year I mention these because people love them and I myself love them. These are a rose quartz and a jade roller. You can find so many different like kits on Amazon with washes and all that for less than $15. So if you know someone that's very into skincare, this would be great. Maybe this with like an Ulta or Sephora gift card or just by itself. They come in really nice boxes. I've had mine for years, so highly recommend if you know someone that's into self-care. I gifted this to my grandma and my mom 2 years ago and they still love it and use it. This one's a bit random. This is called the Mighty Handle and it's supposed to help when you're carrying a lot of things like groceries from the car or something like that, or when you're moving, whatever. We've had these for a while and we don't use them as often as I thought we would, but they are nice to have and that's why I feel like they would make a great little like gift or even like white elephant situation because they're like $9 and honestly y'all, they're helpful. I know skincare can be a little tricky, but these, I just can't think of anyone who wouldn't like them. So these come in little packs for about $12 and they are great face masks. You can have, you know, like a mix and match set. Some have for like blemishes, hydration, whatever. And Amazon just has great options for like face mask packs, and I think like for a little self-care moment this would be cute. So I'll link some of my favorite ones down below. These I've used and love, so if you're looking for like one that's like approved by me, I love these. But like I said, you can get like 50 face masks for like $10 on Amazon, so just like read the reviews. You can never go wrong with gifting someone a notebook. Even if it's a guy, even if it's someone younger. I used to love journaling and like writing in a diary when I was younger. These are great for bullet journaling, but you can find so many different notebooks for under 15, like bigger, smaller, whatever, on Amazon. So when in doubt, this and like a set of pens or something like that would be cute. And then this is a little more specific, but if you know someone that's like more spiritual or trying to, you know, be more positive, I don't know, just like on a journey, you know, this is about $12. It comes in a journal or in this one, and for every day of the year you get like a little passage and reflection. And this helped me out a ton when I was like, you know, trying to change my life and all that. It's not like super self-help book like, but it's really nice and inspiring. So highly recommend if you know someone that's into that. I'm gifting this to one of my friends that's into meditating and all that stuff. And lastly, I know this is very, very random for skincare, but y'all, I need to give this to all my girlfriends because this is amazing. So if you know someone that wears a lot of makeup, that maybe loves doing like funky eyeshadows, wears eyelashes that are like waterproof or something like that, get them this. This is about $12, I believe, and it is a Q-tip and like makeup cotton pad remover situation, and it removes like makeup, eyeshadow, waterproof eyeliner, anything in seconds. It's amazing, and it's something that I feel like a lot of people don't know about it. Like before I received it, I didn't know about it, but it's a game changer. So highly recommend including this. Like I have a friend that's a makeup artist, so I feel like she would love this, especially to take off like swatches of her hand. And yeah, I'm giving her this, so this one is really cool. So as always, the rules for my giveaways are super easy. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, be following me on Instagram, give this video a like or thumbs up, and then comment below what is one stocking stuffer idea you have for others to see. That way we can all give each other more recommendations. And make sure to leave in that same comment your Instagram handle. That way if you win, I can contact you. Like I said, there'll be 2 winners and I will end this pretty soon so you can get it before Christmas. So definitely enter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next gift guide. It will be gifts under 25, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.